Welcome to your slot machine tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to work on improving the strength and range of motion of your wrist and hand. Improving your strength and range of motion is critical to gaining functional use of your arm. Your goal is to try to get as many coins as possible. You do this by making bets on the screen and trying your luck to win the jackpot. During this activity, your movements control the lever on the right. The device will start by providing a little bit of assistance. This may move your hand up. At the beginning, you will need to place a bet on the screen with your less affected limb by touching the screen. From this starting point, you will move your wrist up into extension and then down into flexion, pulling the lever down. This will spin the wheels. Hopefully they will line up and you will win the jackpot. If you have difficulty pulling the lever up and down, the device will detect this and will begin to help you. Just keep trying as hard as you can to pull the lever up and then down.